friends, welcome to my channel Fitness and Diet. Today we are going to see what all the things that we are going to receive from our food. The food that we consume daily, we get certain things from the food. The things that we are called are 7 types of nutrients. We get nutrients from whichever food that we eat, and the number of nutrients are 7. So our today's topic is 7 types of nutrients that we get from our food. Okay, now my question is, what are the 7 types of nutrients? Heading goes like 7 nutrients. Why we should have a knowledge of 7 nutrients? It is very important because as if you want a fit body or a healthy body, all the nutrients should be included in our diet, included in our food. If all the things are included, it would be a fit and healthy lifestyle. If one of the nutrient is missing, then you would got a serious problem or cause a disease due to less or minimum intake of certain types of nutrients. Okay, the first type of nutrient, first is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, which is also famous for the name of carbs. I would give you an example from where the food from where we get an carbohydrate. Before that, I would like to share you the information from the diet that we consume, the food that we consume in our whole day. 80% of our energy is obtained from carbohydrates. 80% of energy is obtained from carbohydrates. Now let's see the example what are from which we can get the carbohydrates. Let's see the first example. Example like rice, cakes, fruits, oats are all an example of chapati, which is available in India. So all are example of carbohydrates. These are the sources from where we can get carbohydrates. Okay, we'll proceed for the next one. Next is protein. Protein is something where a bodybuilder is very fond of. A protein is something where a bodybuilder needs the protein for its muscle building. We'll see an example from where we can get a protein. Example like we can get a protein from chicken, we can get a protein from egg white, we can get a protein from fish. So example goes like all non-veg, milk, and another example is fish and soya beans. SOYABEANS, soya beans. We'll go for the third type of nutrient. Third is dietary fat. Now you would say a fat is not that essential for our body, but this is not that kind of fat which is harmful for our body. This dietary fat means the fat or the oil which is very essential for our body. So it would carry an, the example goes like cheese, butter, ghee, essential oils. So what should all be included in our diet? Our diet should include oats, chapati, fruits, rice, some kind of non-veg, milk at the night, cheese, butter. So these all things should be included in our diet. I would give this carbohydrate, protein and dietary fat under a group called group A. Now I would rub all these things and I would further explain you what are the 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th types of nutrients. I will just rub out this thing. Okay, the 4th type of nutrient is vitamins. Before telling what are vitamins, when I had explained this before to some person, he told me that okay, I'll tell you what are the vitamins. Vitamins A, vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K. There are A, B, C, D, E, and K. Vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin B. The person said me, don't we have vitamin P? Then I asked, why you said me that? Why don't we have vitamin P? Because my name, he said that my name goes from P. My name is from P. So I said there is nothing called vitamin P or vitamin L. We have fixed vitamins names: vitamin A, vitamin B, C, D, E, K. These are all vitamins. We'll see the fifth one. Fifth is mineral. Mineral is something which is almost included in all the diet. Minerals, example for mineral is salt. Salt is something which is used in every food. Salt, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and many more things which are included under minerals. We'll go for the sixth one, which is very important and all the people have that things. Sixth one is water. Obviously we don't require an example for this. Example itself the water. My next question is, what will be the seventh nutrient? Okay, the seventh nutrient is antioxidant. Before explaining antioxidant, I would say this is a group B. Group B. And before the things, vitamins, carbohydrate, protein, and dietary fat comes in under group A. This is group B. Now the antioxidant. Why we should include antioxidant in our diet? Antioxidant is very useful as we go from our day-to-day life. We come up with certain types of stress. Antioxidant is a nutrient which helps in relieving our stress. Is a stress reliever. Okay. And antioxidant is available from vitamin C and vitamin E. Is obtained from vitamin C and vitamin E. And also from certain antioxidant named selenium. The detailed information of vitamin C, E, selenium I will be providing you in my nutrition lecture. Okay, I got all you with the 7 types of nutrient: carbohydrate, protein, dietary fat, vitamins, mineral, water, and antioxidant. All the things should be included in our diet. Okay, I'll just rub out the things and I'll explain you the group A and group B. So this goes group A and group B. Group A included carbohydrate, protein, and dietary fat, whereas the group B include. Why bifurcated the 7 types of nutrients under 2 heads? Because the carbohydrate, protein, and dietary fat should be consumed in more quantity. For example, we should consume carbohydrate, protein, and dietary fat in grams. We should consume all these 3 in grams. And so we compare to this is consumed in more quantity. So it is called a macronutrients. MACRO nutrient. And these vitamins, mineral, and antioxidant, are consumed less compared to this. We are consuming this in milligrams. So it is called micronutrient. That's the reason I bifurcated 7 types of nutrients under 2 head A and B: carbohydrate, protein, dietary fat, vitamin, mineral, water, and antioxidant. Okay, now you got all the information like what are the 7 types of nutrients. The key is that we should include all the nutrients in our diet and majorly focus on carbohydrate, protein, and dietary fat. Why I said that we should focus on this? Because when we eat this thing, We partly get vitamin, mineral, water, and antioxidant from this, and we have to drink water, which we do regularly. One more important things from the group B: vitamins, mineral, and water do not provide calories. calories. As we all know from calories, when we burn calories, we get energy. I've also made a video on this, calories and energy. If you are seeing this video on computer, you may click over here and you will be transferred to that video, specific calorie video. Okay, I made a video on calories and energy. Vitamin, mineral, and water doesn't provide us calories. That means it doesn't provide us energy. So if we want an energy, we have to totally depend on carbohydrate, protein, and dietary fat, and include water and drink water regularly. This was the key important things from the 7 types of nutrients. Rest all the information and rest all the knowledge that I have, I will be providing in other videos. And for this video, thank you. Thanks a lot.